Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. The topic that I'm discussing today is highest oxygen producing plants at night for better sleep. Snake plant. Snake plant is popular indoor plant that emits oxygen at night. Adding it to home allows people to breathe in a healthy environment even during the night. It is easy to care for and grow well in a spot that has only indirect light. Regular watering is not required as it does fine and dry soil. Tulsi. Tulsi is another name in the list of plants that gives oxygen at night. The leaves of Tulsi emit a characteristic scent that can soothe nerves and help reduce anxiety. Having Tulsi plant in the home, balcony, or near the window allows to sleep better at night. Consuming the leaves of Tulsi plants has several benefits such as curing fever, common cold, and sharpening memory. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is a succulent that grows slowly and has fleshy spear like leaves. The perfect cure to almost every skin problem, aloe vera releases plenty of oxygen at night that purifies the air and helps people sleep better at night. It removes two harmful chemicals from the air, formaldehyde and benzene. It does not need to be watered very often, and dry conditions are best for its growth. Peace lily. One of the amazing air cleaners as studied by NASA. Peace lily provide oxygen at night. It is one of the best plants that purify all volatile organic compounds in air like benzene, formaldehyde, toluene, carbon monoxide and xylene. The peace lily is known to increase humidity by up to 5%, which is great for breathing while sleeping. It requires medium indirect light to grow well and should be watered when soil is dry. Spider plant. The plant is named because of the shape of the leaves that looks to the spider legs. It helps add more oxygen and filter out harmful volatile compounds like benzene, formaldehyde, and carbon monoxide that allows people to breathe easier in the evening. The well-drained soil and bright indirect light helps the spider plant grow well. Make sure not to overwater the plant to avoid root rot. Erica palm goes by the name golden palm, butterfly palm, and yellow palm. It is one of the most popular houseplants which requires special attention. It can be easily planted in full sun, but it prefers partial shade. Also, it likes its soils to be slightly moist in summer and somewhat dry in fall season. Money plant. Not many of us know this, but the money plant releases oxygen at night too. Money plant also goes by the name devil's ivy, get its name from the rounded leaves, flat plump leaves that resembles a coin. This is why it is said to make one of the most popular feng shui plants, as well as money plants make excellent bedroom plants as it aids in sleep disorders and filtering the air. Gerbera plant. Gerbera is a flowering plant species that is known for its oxygen releasing properties at night. It is said to benefit people who suffer from sleep and breathing disorder. It needs sunlight in its flowering season. It is said under proper care and conditions, the Gerbera plant can survive for more than 2 years. Christmas cactus. It acts as excellent air purifier primarily because it releases oxygen at night. Its nectar and its vibrant color are what attract hummingbirds towards them. It requires watering even 2 or 3 times in the summer season or once a week in the fall asleep. Orchid. Belonging to one of the largest flowering families, orchids are some other plant species that tend to make it to this list. Last but not the least, orchids can grow in soil as well as they have some properties which remove xylene, toxic element from the indoor environment. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you like and enjoy the video. If you like the type of content, then subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. Also press the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Share with your family, friends and relatives. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.